So I was out this rise and shine, and I planted some flowers and had my garden bed tilled up. And so I have put these down, and they're called ice cream mix. And this is my pink lady apple tree, which I planted, I think, a year, maybe 2 years ago. And so this is the progress that it has made. And I know you're probably wondering about this bottle that's laying up here, but I had planned on turning it into like a slow drip and turn it upside down and put some holes in it. And then I planted, I forgot what the name of these are, but I thought they were really pretty. I just planted them around my mailbox. And while I was out, I saw, I was taking my ferns down to water. I planted a rosemary plant, but back to the fern. This is what I found inside of the fern. And I normally have them hanging up, as you can see, hanging up there like that. And so I took it down to water, and then we're supposed to be getting some rain today. So I decided to put it back up because the baby bird egg is in there. I don't know what type of bird it is, but I thought that was extremely cute. And I did plant some roses. Let me see. I left the tag on. So these are called double knockout. And hopefully they'll do pretty good. I plan on getting some bone meal and adding to it. And then I ended up with a lot of tomato plants. And so I used one of the containers for my eggplant. So I have some Black Beauty eggplants, and I went ahead and put them in this pot to see how they're gonna grow. And so this is just a little work that I've done so far. Cut the yard yesterday, and like I said, I guess I'll put this back up. But one more look, I thought it was so cute. All right, and that just kind of sums up what my day has been like for Saturday. And you all have a great day.